morning, guys. It is currently 5:50 a.m. and we are currently going to Cars and Coffee in Connecticut. But first, we're meeting up with the Drive Boston crew. All right, we out. If you guys missed this event, it's okay. There's another one in August, and that's going to be a wicked huge event. So if you guys missed this one, then it's all good. Something happened. Oh no, I hope everybody is okay, man. You okay? Damn. So half the group got split up due to a minor incident. Everybody seems to be okay, which is great. We still have about 40 minutes left to get to the Farmington Polo Grounds, so I didn't want to pull the camera out while the cop was behind me, but there is an undercover cop 4 cars to the left. It's just inevitable when you're driving in a group this big. Like, it's just bound to happen. Somebody's getting pulled over. Yep. After an hour and 40 minutes, we made it to Farmington, Connecticut. Yo, I swear, every single time I turn on my camera, the laser goes off. What do you guys think about the blue on this Cayman? I see a lot of nice stuff over here that we're all gonna check out together. What the heck? Are they doing yoga in the middle of a car show? Yeah, that sounds amazing, man. Peace. Alright, so there is a Stage 4 C63s coupe with a $25,000 wrap right over there, and we're about to go check it out. That was a really